Hello students, courses on agricultural entomology. I'm from Ulaga University, College of Agriculture, Shambu campus. My name is Thomas Kanfita. Introduction to Agricultural Entomology. Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting journey into the world of insects, one of the most diverse and fascinating groups of organisms on our planet. I'm delighted to be your instructor in this course, Introduction to Entomology, and I'm specially tailored to be delivering this through the online master classes where innovation and excellence in teaching truly come together. Chapter 1, we start from Chapter 1, the presentation outline, introduction. Under the introduction, we will see definition of entomology, fields of entomology, insects and its relation to human. Under this, we will see the beneficial insects and the harmful insects. Definition of entomology. Entomology simply is the scientific study of insects. It is a branch of biology that aims to understand every aspect of insect life, from their structure and behavior to their interactions with us and the environment. The word itself has ancient roots. Entomon means insect in Greek, and logos means study or discourse. Interestingly, entomon also refers to something cut into pieces, which makes sense when you consider how insects have segmented bodies and limbs, much like other members of the phylum Arthropoda. Now, when people hear entomology, they often think of pests, and that is certainly part of the story. But this field is so much broader. Entomologists study everything from insect ecology and behavior to their anatomy, taxonomy, and even their role in criminal investigations. Yes, it is forensic entomology. In the context of pest management alone, we tap into disciplines like statistics, environmental toxicology, population dynamics, and even economics. Why? Because insects are, believe it or not, some of mankind's greatest competitors for food, fiber, and shelter. Insects and its relation to human. Now here is a jaw-dropping fact. Over 75% of the known animal species are insects. Scientists estimate there may be 2 to 2.5 million insect species, but only about 1 million are formally described. And within these millions, some are helpful insects and the others are harmful insects. Let us begin with the beneficial insects. Not all insects are pests. In fact, many are tireless workers in our services. Some give us commercial products like silk from the hard-working silkworm, honey and beeswax from the honeybees, shellac from the lac insects. Others help by pollinating crops, controlling pests by preying on harmful insects. Example, dragonflies, ladybugs, lacewings, improving soil fertility, breaking down organic matter as scavengers, supporting medical treatments like maggots that clean wounds. And yes, in many cultures, insects themselves are food. For example, grasshoppers, beetles, caterpillars, rich in protein and deeply rooted in tradition. The harmful effects of an insect, but of course, some insects are serious threats to human interests. They destroy crops by chewing, boring, and sucking saps, transmit disease to humans and animals, invade our homes, for example, ants, cockroaches, silverfish. They degrade stored foods, attack beneficial insects like bees and silkworms, even damage buildings and woodwork. The impact is economic, environmental, and public health related. Understanding their behavior and biology helps us manage and mitigate these harms. which is one of the key goals of applied entomology. We will summarize this as a final tips and takeaways. So as you can see, insects are not just buzzing annoyances. They are integral to ecosystems, economies, and even our culture. Through this course, we will explore their secrets, their science, and their story. I will be here with you every step of the way, and I encourage you to bring your questions, your curiosity, and your insights to our discussions. Let's discover the worlds of insects together. Thank you very much for listening, and welcome again to our classroom on these online courses.